Oh, 5:31. I think I heard the horn way off down the line there. I think. Oh, nice breeze. 5:31. Yeah, we waited over an hour. About an hour and 30 minutes. I think Monday is just a slow train day. I'm going to just pause this for a minute. I'm pretty sure I heard one way down there. Yeah, I'm positive that's one coming. Oops, what we got there? I am positive I'm hearing one. Yep, there it is. We waited long enough. I knew if we waited long enough, something would come. Yeah, I think Monday's a slow train traffic day, though. I think we'll leave after this one. Oh, what's that one? I wonder if that's one of those heritage units. That was worth the wait. Just to see that. It was definitely worth the wait. At the end of the line already. I guess it is. I guess it is better than nothing, right? Yep. That's it. See if we can get any more. Nice. That was well worth the wait. Nice. What time is it? 5:35. Like I said, definitely worth the wait. Alright, well, now it's time to get out of here. We caught a train. I think it's going to be about supper time, so catch you on the next one.